Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 25th, 2022. Let's talk about Ethereum today. I'm going to give you all the movement as to where I think Ethereum is going to go next. You guys can see here, I got a price prediction on the chart already, and the market in Ethereum has definitely not gone down. So I'm going to talk about that, and then I'm going to show you where the next big movement in Ethereum is going to go, so that we don't have to be confused, unprepared. We want to be positioned so that we can actually win before the market moves to that particular price level. So if you all appreciate it, hit the like button instead of anything. Also subscribe here to the channel, tap the bell notification as well, because again, I don't want you all to miss out on my price prediction, because we have to be in position. That's the edge that we have. That's the competitive advantage that we need to hold in order for us to continue to win in the cryptocurrency space. Now, I did a follow-on video for Ethereum on March the 13th, right? And I was still anticipating that the price in Ethereum, was going to continue to go down, right? I was looking for Ethereum to continue to dip in price, which is right here on the 13th, right? Right here is when I did the video. Because the market in Ethereum was continuing to show us that it was getting rejected on this descending line. The market still confirmed that Ethereum was still weak. That is why I continue to go forth with Ethereum dipping and going lower. Now you can see 2 days after I did that video on March the 13th for Ethereum, the market went up, right? And then right here on March the 16th, 2022, the market broke my descending line. That was an automatic giveaway right there to tell you that you need to cut your price prediction and go the other way in order for you to minimize your losses. The market gives you the answers. We just have to follow the market. That's it. So rather than me continuing to go on with this price prediction, saying that Ethereum is going to drop, that it's going to fall, right here on the 16th of March, it was telling me, hey, you need to cut that and play the movement to the upside in Ethereum. See that? The market broke that descending line. So if I would have got out on the close right there on March the 16th, I would have been down 24.66%, which is a lot better than where the market currently is in Ethereum. 40.75% loss right now if I were to get out today. So which one would you rather have, 40.72 or 24.66? Like, it's just that simple. You're not going to get every price prediction and forecast correct, but you need to know when you need to cut the ones that you don't have right. And this market is actually giving you answers as to when you need to do that. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. And obviously, the next anticipated movement in Ethereum is not going down. So we could take that off the table of us trying to experience the price movement in Ethereum going down. So that leaves us with two other options. Either the market in Ethereum is going to continue to consolidate, trade sideways in the trading channel, or the price is going to continue to go up. Those are the options that we now see from the market's perspective since we broke this trend. So first thing is first, we need to create the base, the foundation to where the market in Ethereum really came down and confirmed the support to where the buyers showed up pretty much. And the buyers showed up into Ethereum right here around $2,300. So let me go ahead and create this basis now. That is support now. Okay. Now let's try to determine how high can we see the market in Ethereum trade in a channel. Okay, because this is a very rigid market that is not truly defined as to where you can find restriction, where you can find support. It's not really defined. It's kind of cloudy, right? You guys can tell that there's a slight area of restriction here into the market in Ethereum, right? And the market literally is almost there now, that we can see Ethereum get rejected. But I think the next area is going to be a little bit higher, around $3,400 for Ethereum, right? So we're going to create this area right here in Ethereum for a trading channel, meaning we can see the price in Ethereum continue to bounce into these two lines, right? We can see that until either we break out or price breaks down. That's it. So now let's see what type of momentum we have, because currently we've been in an uptrend in Ethereum. Like, this has been a pretty good run into the market in Ethereum starting here on the 14th of March. The market has already seen 25% movement higher. Fantastic. Now, the question is, do you think that movement higher is about through? Because you can only go up so far before the market finally says, I need to take some profit. Let me go ahead and try to lower this price down, because 25%, I'm sitting pretty good on the bag. And people are going to start coming in and say, well, yeah, let me go ahead and take my profitability out of Ethereum and put it in another play, right? So I think we might be approaching that time frame relatively soon for Ethereum and the cryptocurrency space as a whole. Okay, so let's look at this on a 3-day time frame in Ethereum. Here it is. We got 13 hours and 54 minutes left, and I'm still seeing strength, right? So that small area that I've told you that the price was already approaching for restriction is right there around 32. The market may have enough gas in the tank to try to hit $3,200, and then the price might just completely come back down. I'm just saying, I want to prepare you all for that, because I can literally tell that that area could be seen as a lid. Okay, so looks pretty good right now, but we still have 13 hours and 54 minutes left on that current 2-day price bar. This is it on the 2-day time frame. You got to think, look at this run. It's been fantastic. Very good run into the market in Ethereum. Do you think it's almost over? Let's look at Ethereum on a 2 weeks time frame, because looking at this on a 2-weekly perspective, this is massively strong in Ethereum. Now, we have to have a little bit of margin of error, because we still got 2 days and 14 hours left. But let's just say that today was the last day before this 2-week price bar, which is in front of you, was to end. That is massively strong, right? I would definitely be looking for Ethereum to hit $3,400 with no problem at all in the next 2 weeks. But I got to give a margin of error, because we still have time before this 2-weekly price bar ends. But it looks good now. But in the next 2 days, it might be a completely different story, right? So this is Ethereum on the 5-day. I mean, everything pretty much is still reflecting the upside movement in Ethereum. So I'm going to continue to play that. I'm not going to be, it's not that hard. It's not that complicated. We just simply need to see what is the flow of the market, right? Now, I'm going to tell you this right off the bat. $3,200 is the first area for us to try to nibble and eat off this coin's price movement. It's only 1.87%, but hey, at least you're coming out more with what you went into with your original prediction. I'll take 1.87%. But the next level that I'm looking at is going to be up here around $3,400. Now, let's say that 2-weekly price bar pans out and the market actually looks that way at the conclusion of 2 weeks. Yeah, that won't be a problem at all for Ethereum to come and try to hit $3,400. So yeah, that would be real easy for us to get 8.25% off the market in Ethereum in that round. So now we're going to continue to show forth that we're looking for the price in Ethereum to go up. All right, we're going to hold support around $2,800. Definitely want to see the market hold $2,800, because if so, we understand that the probability of seeing this cryptocurrency go up is still there. So you don't have to be afraid, you don't have to be nervous, you don't have to question, okay, why is price in Ethereum going down? If we hold $2,800, price doesn't break that on weakness, yeah, we can expect the market to continue to give us some uplift and movement higher. Okay, so the first price target $3,200, second one $3,400, and if we're able to really conclude strong on the monthly time frame, let me show you this. Okay, if we conclude this way on the monthly time frame in Ethereum, then my next level is going to be 36. Okay, now I'm not looking at $3,600 right now, but if we look strong on the monthly time frame, like I've just shown you, that price bar looks the way that it did, then yeah, $3,600 is going to be my last price target. All right, so now I'm done. It is your turn. I want you all to hit me up. Tell me, what is your price prediction for Ethereum as we go into the month of April? Where do you think price is going to go as we approach the month of April? Drop me a comment and let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.